How to create Google Docs spreadsheet. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Docs spreadsheet in just a few simple steps, so let's dive right in. First, you need to open your Chrome browser. Once you're in the Chrome browser, you need to click on the square-like icon located at the left of your profile picture. Simply click on that. Then you need to scroll down until you see the Sheets option over here. Simply click on the Sheets option. Then from here, you'll be taken to the Google Spreadsheet homepage. Then you need to click on the blank spreadsheet over here. Simply click on blank spreadsheet. Now that you're in the Google spreadsheet, you need to click on the untitled spreadsheet at the top and give it a name that suits your need. After that, you can start entering your values into the cells right away. One of the best feature of Google Sheets is that all the changes are saved automatically to your drive, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. And that's it. You now know how to create a Google Docs spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please take a second to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.